Nandini, ma'am, audibility is there?
Your voice is echoing.
Going with me.
पैसे देते हैं
Let me just check it.
इस करेंट झालं तर मग तिकडे जायचं
Is there audibility है अभी?
हाँ है.
Proper? Okay, okay. ठीक है. So we will start in a couple of minutes.
Yes, sure.
Okay. By that time, I'll unmute everyone so that.
Lot of disturbance. Cut down the noise. Yeah.
अच्छा. I've put everyone on mute. I'll unmute you. I think participants are still joining. We still have 5 minutes to go. We have hello, welcome back. Still, we have few participants to be added. Okay, we will start in 3 minutes. We'll start in 3 minutes.
Okay.
But I'll just go ahead with some queries which they had yesterday. So yesterday I had too many mails, or I would say rather WhatsApp messages in regards to the assignment. So I will be giving the glimpse on assignment today, what you need to do on assignments. I hope I'm audible.
Yes.
Audible.
You're
Okay.
audible. Yeah.
So I will be speaking on assignments today, as in the initial 1 or 2 minutes. And I will let you know how we will go ahead with the upcoming 2 days, because then yesterday too much of confusion and people were a bit hesitant in terms of doing things, and they were like they were not understanding what exactly they have to do. So I will give you the idea what exactly I want and what exactly you should do. That I will be speaking on once we start with the session. So that is one thing which we will do. Today we will be covering two aspects. One would be related to yesterday's presentation given by Nandini ma'am on MOOC. So today I will teach you how you will be posting your content on a MOOC, or how you will create your MOOC. And Nandini ma'am is going to teach in the first half related to how you can move ahead in terms of creating presentation with voiceover, which I guess in our college we do practice in different seminar and conferences. I've seen that they give voiceover on PPT. So that is what we will be showing it to you today. So before starting with Nandini ma'am's presentation, let me just tell you, yesterday I had posted an assignment which was associating with screen, which was associated with Screencast-O-Matic and PPT or presentation, whatever it was. It had all the details. So now let me tell you, yesterday we did Screencast-O-Matic, in which you had prepared videos, or you must be working on Screencast-O-Matic. आपने देखा होगा कि how you can use your screen and you can give your voice over to the presentation, or how you can show demonstration basically in science and information technology, BSc IT, या फिर जिसमें मैथ्स और सिंटेक्सेस होते हैं, या कई बार अकाउंट्स वाला पार्ट भी होता है, आपको टैली सिखाना है बच्चों को. सो टैली सिखाने के लिए आप एंट्रीज कैसे करना है या बेसिक्स ऑफ टैली का कोर्स अगर आप डेवलप कर रहे हैं तो स्क्रीनकास्ट-O-Matic कैसे काम आता है, वो चीजों के लिए Screencast-O-Matic is there. So now that is one thing which you can use Screencast-O-Matic for. Yesterday I got few videos where students, they just gave a few students, as in the participants, they gave few videos which they had developed on their subject. So these videos which they have given on the subject which they prepared, it was very nice, but a few tips which I would love to give it to you, that whenever we are preparing video where we are seen, अगर आप स्क्रीन में देखेंगे कि सिर्फ मेरा फेस और मेरे शोल्डर वाला पार्ट ही आ रहा है, तो इतना पार्ट, आपकी पूरी बॉडी नहीं आनी चाहिए. आपको स्क्रीन में देखना है उस टाइम पे. अगर आपका स्क्रीन, जैसे एक वीडियो में मैंने देखा था, एक पार्टिसिपेंट ने छोटा सा एक विंडो वहां पे था स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग में, शी हैड with a computer camera that was operational, she was seen there. So in such cases, it should be your face which should be visible. Secondly, whenever you're preparing a video, make sure the content is in front of you, because there was a video, I don't remember the topic or the name of the teacher, I would not name it, but yes, in that video what I observed was that the teacher was taking pauses in terms of and the. Secondly, the teacher was very fast in terms of speaking. So for example, she had to speak on what do you understand by hypothesis. She was very fast in terms of this is how it was going. And then sometimes where the teacher was stuck, at that point, she used to take long pauses. So these are certain things which you need to be worried in terms of, you need to be worried as in you need to just take care. You need to take care of preparing a video. So whenever you are preparing a video, just make sure that these things are taken care, where you have the content, where the pace is proper, the video should not be more than 10 minutes, because the retention capacity, or I would say rather, the listening capacity or sitting capacity is not more than 10 minutes of the students. So this is one thing. Secondly, the assignment which was given to the participants. So the assignment yesterday was a free time where we gave you the access of using Screencast-O-Matic or maybe another app which you are comfortable with related to screen recording. So I believe that आपने practice किया होगा, आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि हाँ screen recording कैसे करना है, screen recording कब काम आएगा, कैसे काम आएगा और कैसे उसको यूज करना है, ये चीज आपने देखी होगी और आपने अपना एक पीपीटी बना के उसके ऊपर कुछ वर्क किया होगा. So that was related to Screencast-O-Matic. Then I gave an assignment which is to be submitted on 25th or maybe on 26th, whichever day you are comfortable with. मतलब 25th का जो day है, that is a free day. So let me just give you a small timetable. Just say today we are going to work on certain tools. So today Nandini ma'am will be giving you one assignment. So on the basis of that assignment, you are going to prepare whatever things she gives. You're going to prepare that, and that will be subject related. So whatever you're doing, for example, you have taken module 1, chapter 1, topic 1, that will be subject related thing, which Nandini ma'am will tell you. The thing which I gave yesterday, that is feedback related thing. तो उसके अंदर क्वेश्चन है, सर हमको क्या करना है, हमको कैसे बताना है, तो चार पॉइंट्स दिए गए, 4 या 5 पॉइंट. तो सबसे पहले आपको बताना है कि हाँ, who are you are going to speak about that, and then you're going to say yes, we participated in this particular webinar, which was a faculty development program, and you're going to speak about that. And then you're going to speak about the learning outcome which you have got from this entire FDP. तो आपने कुछ तो सीखा होगा, तो वो आप लर्निंग आउटकम बनाएंगे और उसके बेसिस पे बताएंगे, हार्डली लाइक 1 or 2 sentences. And then after learning outcome, you will be giving a testimonial. Testimonial basically speaks about what have you felt, like what was your experience. So that would be around like a 1 minute testimonial, not more than 1 minute. And then finally feedback. तो testimonial के अंदर ही feedback होता है जो से connected होगा. So that's it. A video not more than 3-4 minutes, जिसके अंदर हम आपको फॉर्मली वो चेक बॉक्स नहीं दे रहे हैं जिसमें आप गूगल फॉर्म पे अपना फीडबैक देंगे, वेरी गुड, एक्सेलेंट, ये सब चीज. वी नीड योर लाइव टेस्टिमोनियल्स व्हिच वी कैन पुट अप ऑन आवर वेबसाइट, व्हिच वी कैन शो टू आवर department. That is the reason we are asking for videos. And of course, we before putting it on the website, we will seek permission from you. So we will send you a mail before putting it on the website. So don't worry, whoever जिसका भी वीडियो हम पोस्ट कर रहे हैं, हम उससे पहले परमिशन लेंगे, उसके बाद ही उसका नाम कहीं भी place करेंगे. So that is something which we will work with. So that feedback thing you will be doing on 25th, because today we will complete this. Tomorrow we will be doing certain things on gamification and mind mapping, and day after tomorrow, that is Saturday, we will keep the lecture around 12. Yes, we will keep it at 12, and I will post a quiz which will be at 12 o'clock. So lecture हम 12 o'clock को नहीं रख के पहले quiz attend करेंगे एडमोडो पे, और या फिर मैं उसको लिंक दे दूंगा गूगल पे on Google form, Google quiz पे. I have already made the quiz. So I will give you that particular link. You have to solve it, and we will meet only for 1 hour, and in that 1 hour we will have some discussion related to क्या difficulties आ रही है, क्या चीज कैसे सॉल्व करें, हाउ डू यू गो अबाउट थिंग्स. बस सिर्फ उस चीज के लिए हमको मिलना है. दैट्स इट. एंड 25th को अगर फॉर्मल वैलिडेटरी है तो प्रिंसिपल मैम का नोटिफिकेशन जैसे इफ वी गेट इट ऑन आवर सिस्टम, द मोमेंट आई गेट इट ऑन माय सिस्टम, सो आई विल जस्ट मूव अहेड. We will move ahead with the thing. I'm getting few queries related to saving the recording on Screencast-O-Matic. So if you click on done button, वहाँ पे कॉर्नर पे जहाँ पे आपने रिकॉर्ड दबाया था वहाँ पे डन बटन है, DONE, उस पे क्लिक करेंगे तो it will ask for 3 options: saving on cloud, saving on your computer, and saving at Screencast-O-Matic with share option. So you need to save the video on your computer, और कंप्यूटर पे इसलिए सेव करना है आपको because then you can post it on your Moodle. The thing which we are going to do, we have to put things on Moodle. So that is the reason you have to save it on your computer. Okay? And I will be taking voice is cracking and not audible. नंदिनी मैम आवाज आ रही है कि क्रैक कर रही है बार बार?
नहीं आ रही है आवाज, लेकिन बीच बीच में कभी तो क्रैक हो रहा है.
मतलब वो बैंडविड्थ और मे बी,
हाँ वो बैंड, मे बी व्हेन एवरीबॉडी गोज ऑफ द वीडियो, यू नो, आई थिंक इट विल टेक इट प्रॉपर्ली.
Okay, so shall I request participants to go off the...
No, I don't think that is... If you all feel later when I'm teaching it happens, then you all automatically go out of your videos and see if it...
Okay, we'll do that. Okay. So, I am getting connection issue. Couldn't follow the instructions. Can this be documented? Yes, there is a link for the recording which we are doing for today's session and every day's session, and I keep on posting the link on Edmodo. So Anubhuti ma'am, you can go to Edmodo and you can check the information from the link. So that's it. I guess I'm done. I'll take the questions on Screencast-O-Matic once Nandini ma'am is done with her session. So today's first session is by Nandini ma'am.
Yeah.
Over to you, Nandini ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Now, hello all. Before I begin, I hope I'm audible to all. Just give me a couple of thumbs up so that, you know, I'm very clear about the fact. Okay, great. Chalo, so let's continue. What we are going to do today, before that, I would like to give you all some instructions, okay, which like Samrat said, with your permission, etc. Okay, we'll complete that and then I will go to how to prepare a video voiceover PPT and then convert it to a video and how to push it on your YouTube. Okay, so this is what I have thought about. Now, when you are sitting for, coverage of a video or a voiceover PPT, okay, there are few things that you must remember apart from what Samrat has said, okay, just now. What he has said is also very important, but apart from that, these things you must remember. Okay, point number one is that you have to keep the script ready. Because what happens is in the lecture, okay, when we go into the class, we start speaking because it is embedded in us. But when you sit for recording, okay, no matter how many years of experience you have, you do end up, going hayward and you tend to miss out certain points which you wanted to say. Okay, so the script of every sentence that you want to say, whether it is there on the PPT or whether it is not there on the PPT, you have to keep it in front of you. And the script has to be written on, pieces of papers, big ones, and keep it ready. Okay, and as and when you start recording, you look at the script and you read, okay, and your PPT points that you want to appear, you just click the enter button. Don't give a timer to the enter or the click buttons of animations. Otherwise, what happens is your voice moves ahead and the PPT remains behind, or vis-a-vis, your PPT runs ahead and your voice remains behind. So in the beginning, when you all are learning and doing things, this is what even I have done, okay, and there is nothing wrong in saying that when I want a new point to come, when I've completed a point, I give a click enter button through my fingers and only then the next point appears on the screen. So this is something that you need to take care of. Okay, these are all very small things, but when you actually start doing it, they become a big mess if they are not taken care of. And that is why I'm informing this to you all. Okay, then the second part is when you're moving your papers, when you're recording, the papers ruffle. Okay, so you have to remove it very. Now here I want to point out one very important thing is when you all sit for recording, you need to sit in a complete silent zone. So much so that your windows must be closed. Okay, the air conditioners, even if it is a split AC, it makes noise. Okay, and that noise also gets recorded, and you feel something is humming or hissing behind you. When a snake hisses behind you, you get that kind of a sound, and that also gets recorded behind. Okay, your fan must be switched off, the televisions, etc., your cell phones, etc., everything must be on the silent mode. And if you are sitting somewhere closer to the window and recording, if a bike moves out, if the children are playing, or even if the birds are chirping, that also gets recorded. And this has happened with me. Okay, I could hear the children screaming outside, and that has also gone into one of my PPTs. Okay, so these are, small things that you need to take care. If your college provides you a studio to record, okay, then nothing like it. You put your PPT on the screen and you sit in the studio, you take a proper professional mic and you start recording, okay, and the PPT will be recorded wonderfully, okay, with whatever little systems that we have. Right now, we are not able to access and go to the college. So when we are trying to record a PPT, it is going to be our earphones, or some of you all, if you all have a apparatus of a high, a good headphone mic, all right, then that would help you all out. Otherwise, with whatever little systems that we have to go ahead with it. We cannot stop. Okay. All right. Now, your PPT has to be crisp and it has to be small. It has to be attractive. You can put in animations, you can put in pictures, but the matter and content as far as possible needs to be small. Okay, they have to be in points. Now in economics, you need to explain more and the points are less. So sometimes when you talk about definitions or concepts, okay, you end up putting 5-6 lines together on the screen and this goes. All right, and when it goes, you have no choice but to keep it as it is. But if your topic or your concept videos are very good, big ones, then chop it up. Okay, break it up into small videos and push it over. Because let me tell you, today I was taking a trial video of my own video, which is just 7 minutes, which I was watching. And by the time it was 4 minutes, I was already fidgeting, looking here and there at the time period as to when this thing is going to end. So if this can happen with me, with my own setup, I really wonder people or students who are trying to watch and understand what could be their mindset. Okay, and it has been proved and established that time and again, the amount of concentration time period has come down to a very large extent. They say in India, it is not more than 12 to 13 minutes for children. All right. And in foreign countries, it has also been brought down to as low as 8 seconds and 9 seconds, which is difficult to believe. I don't know. Okay. We are a generation who has been able to, hear for long and long time period, and we had accepted it. Okay. Now, to make your PPT, very attractive, add pictures. Okay. You can directly borrow it from Google and push it through. You can push in animations, but everything has to be at the click of your button. Unless you want to enter it, it should not come to the screen unless and until you're perfectly okay with it. Okay. Now with this, I think many of y'all must have been, doing all these videos. All right. And, let's continue doing it. Now, suppose if some of y'all have not been able to download what is called as Microsoft, because on the WhatsApp group, I was getting messages. What I suggest is you give a direct lecture on the cell phone of 3 or 4 minutes relating to your subject. Okay. Now, how, in our webinar group, Seema Bhatnagar madam has put a small introduction of herself, correct, which she has recorded and she has put it. But in this introduction, Seema madam, with all due apologies, there is a lot of background noise which is there. I think you were sitting under the fan or the window was open, and that is how even that voice has got recorded. Now that is what I'm trying to tell you all. Okay, best is to remove that voice. Keep a script in front of you already, ताकि वो tata papa नहीं होता है, because when you deliver a lecture, it has to go at one stroke, and that is when it is generally appreciated. Okay, I hope I was not too critical about what I have said. Now, what I'll do is I'll try to share how to prepare. Yeah, Anubhuti is giving me a thumbs up. Thank you, Anu. Okay, and with this, I will move further. Thank you, Nidhi. With this also, I will now move, okay, to a recording process of how to go about. Okay, now this I'm trying. If something goes wrong, then we'll have to go back and come back again and again. So please give me some time till I share it on the screen. Okay, I'll just blow it up so that it comes to the screen. Okay. I hope you all are able to hear me. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Now, what I've given on the screen is just 2-3 things over here I've put up. I've put up a concept called as trade cycle, which talks about the financial ups and downs basically. Now, I think we have a few participants over here who are professors of economics in the group. So they will be able to connect to me more easily. And Samrat is also well versed with economics. He's a PG with economics also. So even he will understand what I'm trying to say, but others just try to understand and, enjoy this entire situation. Okay, now this trade cycle, okay, is the title which I've put up on a normal PPT. Now my PPT background in the beginning, I've kept it white, I've kept it simple, and I've just put black and red colors, and the background is white in order to first enter the animations. Now what I do is when I have to enter the animations, I've picked up certain slides of my choice. So when I of my choice, I have to first give an animation of what is a trade cycle. Now, before I straight away begin teaching and before I straight away begin recording, okay, there has to be a previous slide where I introduce myself. Okay, later on, I'll give you a link to my YouTube videos where y'all can watch how I have introduced the concept and how I began by introducing myself. Participants and friends, please give due credit to your college that you are so and so from this college and this is my YouTube studio. Okay, because we are able to access the studios and we are able to put up content because of our college. Okay, so that due credit has to be given. And again, like I told you, in criteria 4 of NAC accreditation, okay, when you give credit to your college, definitely they know that you are a part of the college faculty. Okay, now coming to this entire PPT over here, okay, I've clicked over here on the trade cycle and I can see the cursor over here. Okay, now what I do is I will first introduce an animation. For that, I have to move to slideshow over here. I hope you're able to see the slideshow. Okay, and before going over there, I'll first go to animations. When I go to animations, I click on it. Okay, when I click on the animations, I get a number of animations over here which are available. Now, before that, I need to select this part on what is trade cycle. So when I select it, okay, I am now able to introduce animations. Now, where do I introduce the animation from? You know, I can either pick up directly from these icons over here, or I can go over here, okay, to this blue star, which says and reads add animation. So when I click that arrow down, okay, I'm able to see a large number of animations and names written on it. So even if I just hold, let us say, on one particular animation which talks about flying, okay, then this entire title of mine flies up or it comes in. And if I put in float in, it comes in a little easily. Okay, there are various choices. If I put split, then it comes from two sides. Okay, if I put what you call a wheel shape, then you know it slowly takes the shape of a wheel and comes. Now, when you introduce a concept, you're saying it through your voice. Okay, today we are going to study trade cycle. So when you're uttering these words, today you're going to study trade cycle, you have to see to it that by the time you complete your narration of trade cycle, the word trade cycle appears on the screen. Okay, so if I take a wheel and I click on it, okay, then that animation, by the time I complete the statement, it appears there. Now, suppose if I try to do something, you know, which is overdone and which is to be avoided, okay, let us see this animation. See, it keeps on twirling and twirling. This will disturb the person who is trying to look at your PPT. Okay, so as far as possible, don't clutter the PPT. Keep animation simple but sweet and crisp, so that when you speak and it appears, okay, it catches the attention, both audio as well as the visual attention. And there is a zoom over here, okay, trade cycle. So the matter just zooms in. So let us say I will take the shape of a wheel. Okay, I click on it and this is now accepted. Okay, now once this is accepted by your system, okay, I get over here in the corner a small number which is called as number 1, and it is a very small letter which you can read, okay, when you are doing it all by yourself. Now my trade cycle is ready with an animation of a wheel, and this thing will show a yellow color over here, which means that you have opted for a wheel animation. Okay, now just I want you all to look at, or I want your attention to be drawn at start button over here at the end of the screen, where I told you I have kept the matter on click. Okay, now if I drop this arrow down at the corner, I get various other options with previous, after previous. But as I told you, it is better it remains on click. The duration is around 2.00. So that means it is going to appear within that time and it is going to remain there. And this duration time period you can adjust by default. Okay, but when you enter this, okay, the system, the Microsoft system automatically is able to understand, okay, when it has to come and how, and it gives you a proper default time over there. Okay, so if you leave it also on default time, it is not a matter of worry. All right, so this is the click part which are saying be very, very careful with it. Now let's move further. Now this is a definition which has been given by John Maynard Keynes. Now he is already appearing on the screen over here. Now what I've done is I've borrowed a picture, okay, from either a website or in your picture panel or on your computer, and just dragged it and I have inserted over here. Now, what happens is when you talk about John Maynard Keynes, people may not know who John Maynard Keynes is, all right, and they may not take the efforts. When I say people, it is students. Okay, so students may not take efforts to go and find out who J.M. Keynes was, and why is he so popular, and why the hell are we studying about him. Okay, they are just interested in whatever we are giving them. So we try to give them maximum matter with little time. So when I select again the entire definition part, I have to now again introduce an animation to it. Now again, I don't want to introduce a complicated animation. So what I do is I just click on zoom. So what happens is the moment after the trade cycle work is done, when I click on the definition part, or when I click enter, the entire definition and what Keynes has said appears at one shot on the screen. Okay, now this is a definition which has been written by him, and that is why it runs into 4 or 5 lines over here. You cannot chop this off. Okay, so you leave it as it is. Now, Mr. Keynes, okay, who was he, or the economist who was. Now you go on this click button over here, again click it, and you would like to add an animation, and you would like the students to know who Keynes is. So again, I have to select, and I will prefer to select a wheel button over here. Okay, so that Keynes appears on the screen immediately after I finish the definition. Enter. Okay, then finally a trade cycle. Okay, a trade cycle in economics, all right, is an up and down movement. It is a wave like movement. It goes up like this, comes down, goes up like this, and comes down. Okay, so here what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to introduce and trying to tell them that there is a wave like movement, and the pattern of the trade cycles is irregular. So now I decide to give a final animation to this particular sentence. So again, I go to add animation, I open it up, and I see that there are many animations over here. And since the concept is wave-like, I will settle for this. Okay, so exactly the way I wanted. It is a wave-like procedure, so that students understand what is a wave-like procedure very, very clearly. Okay, so I go to wave and I click it on it, and this is how it is going to appear again at the enter of the click button. Thank you, Ratna ma'am. Right, so when this happens, all right, when this PPT and this slide is ready, okay, I am going to move on to my next slide. But to see whether my slide has been perfectly animated or not, okay, what I can do is I can go on this concept of slideshow over here, okay, and I can go for a current slideshow, and I will be able to see that all my animations have been introduced at the click of the button. Okay, so just let me try to show you how it appears. Okay. All right, the Zoom screen is full now. The last part, the trade cycles, is irregular. This is a wave-like movement. Now this doesn't disappear. By default, it remains on the screen. Okay, I have tried all ways for it to come later, but it doesn't move. So it's going to remain over there. So if I have to begin, I click enter, and then my title appears trade cycle. Okay, now if I have to tell them what is a trade cycle, the definition of a trade cycle, okay, the definition of screen. All right, and I'll also have to tell the students that I have to tell them who Keynes is, and the picture of Keynes appears at the side by side when I'm explaining to them, okay, what is the meaning and concept of a trade cycle. And finally, I have to tell the students that the trade cycle is a wave-like movement. So again, I click on enter, okay, and the entire trade cycle moves again, right? So once this is done, all right, I'm correct, and I know that now my animations are perfect. Now I can move on to my next slide. So this next slide comes up, and again I go back to animations, I select, and whatever animations I want, I introduce them as per my liking. Okay, now this slide I'm not doing. I'm going back to the previous slide, and I'll show you how to introduce a voiceover, okay, in the previous slide that we have already animated. Okay, now here I want to point out something, friends. What happens is when you are trying to introduce your voice, now this is what I experienced when I use this normal headphones of my mobile phone, all right, which is again a smartphone, no doubt about it. I've used this to record my voice, all right. on my laptop and in my system, I am able to hear it in a very clear, loud voice. Okay, but the same thing when it went on the YouTube studio, okay, or on the YouTube channel, the volume reduced. All right, that means that this system which I'm using is not the one which is going to configure with the YouTube audio system. So that is why I said you need an apparatus which has a good voiceover and which picks up, you know, voices very clearly. And that is why you need to, okay, either purchase an apparatus, all right, by going on Amazon. If you put, you know, just on Amazon or on any of the e-market saying that you need a mic to record your lectures, okay, it gives you ample of options. And as I told you, you can go to a studio, all right, and also you can record it, or in your college studio, if you have a lapel pin mic also of a certain resolution, that will also help you to record beautifully. Okay, now this is what is for apparatus purposes. Now what apparatus you want to buy, okay, I am not an expert with it, but yet I can tell you, you can go on YouTube, all right, and you can also find out what apparatus to buy for recording lectures on a mic. And there are thousands of videos that will flash on the screen and they will give you all sorts of explanations. So that should help you all out in purchasing the right kind of apparatus if you want to do it personally, okay, or if the college has it, well and good. Like for example, my college has a studio also, okay, and it has a recording system also, but unfortunately before we could actually go and, you know, record all this, we had to lock down. So I'm hoping when it opens, we may be able to do it better. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the recording part of my entire video, okay, or PPT. I again go back to slideshow, okay, and in this slideshow, I am showing you all a small clock over here, okay, which says record slideshow. Okay, so I hope you all are able to visualize it and you're able to see it on your own computers also later on. Now, when I drop this arrow, I get two notifications. One is start recording from the beginning. I am right now at the beginning of my recording, correct? Later, it gives me a second option, start recording from the current slide. Now, suppose I have recorded 4 slides today and I want to re-record tomorrow morning the remaining slides, then I go to the lower part which says start recording from the current slide. Okay, otherwise, if you want to record it at one shot, then you have to start from the beginning. Now, my advice to you is, since your concepts are small or you're shrinking your concepts, okay, into smaller sizes, it is better that you record from the beginning and finish it off at one stretch so that you get a slight idea of how many minutes you're consuming. Now, if you are not happy with your recording, you want to, okay, you go down even further slowly over here, and I can make you read over here something called as clear. Now, when the clear arrow drops down, okay, they ask you, you want to clear the timings on the current slide, you want to clear timings on all slides, or you want to clear narration on the current slide. That means if you're not happy with what you have narrated, then you click on this and the narration disappears. Okay, and if you want to clear narration on all the slides. So all these options are available, and whichever you want to, you can correct them. Okay, but the best is, like I told you all, keep your script ready, keep your PPT ready, practice 1 or 2 times, and then sit for recording. So it becomes easier. Okay, now that is what I have done, and that's why I'm sharing it with you all. Now, suppose I start recording from the beginning. Okay, the moment I click this, okay, this entire PPT of mine is going to go into a full zoom. That means it is going to cover the entire screen of my laptop or my PC, okay, and at the left hand corner of my PC, okay, I am going to get a recording which is done. It doesn't give you any time like 3, 2, 1 and go. Okay, it starts immediately. right? So you have to be very careful. The moment you click on the record button, start recording, okay, you have to start speaking. Otherwise the seconds start moving, the time period starts moving, okay? The moment you want to close, over there also you have a small button called close, and you can stop your recording. Now that is what we are trying to do right now, okay? I hope I'm audible enough, and I hope I'm clear with what I'm saying, okay? Chalo. So let's begin what is called as start recording from the beginning. Okay, so I click on this button, okay, and it gives me two defaults: slide and animation timings, narrations and laser pointer. Now these two are on already ticked. I leave it as it is. I don't change them. Okay, I want to remain it as default. It is not going to disturb the appearance and the way my recording takes place. Okay, over here it is written start recording. Okay, now I adjust my mic very carefully, all right, and I begin what is called as start recording. Now I hope you will be able to see how the entire screen blows up. Okay, I'm clicking on the start recording. Here it is. Okay, this is the recording part which I told you all right? Now I begin by saying, see, I told you the seconds start moving immediately. Okay, now if I want to move to the next slide, there is an arrow button over here to the right. So it helps me to move to the next slide. Okay, and if I want to shut down or if I want to stop, okay, there is a close button over here. And like I told you, when you're recording, be very clear, keep your script ready. Okay, you read from the script, because your face anyways is not going to appear on the PPT. It is just a voiceover. Okay, and when you want to close, you can stop it. All right, so I can begin by saying, hello friends, I'm Nandini Katti from KEA Shroff College, and today we are going to study something which is called as trade cycle. Okay, so I have already clicked it, so the trade cycle appears. Now what is a trade cycle? A trade cycle is a concept that was explained by a very well-known economist, okay, J.M. Keynes, or John Maynard Keynes, who is a very important neoclassical economist for the history of economics, and this is what he had to say. So I have clicked the button and the definition appears on it. All right, and he says that it is a period of good trade and bad trade characterized by rising prices, etc., etc. So whatever you all want to explain about the matter and the definition, okay, that is going to remain, all right, as an explanatory point until you click the enter button. All right, the next image or the next point will not appear. Now let us say I have to show you all how Keynes looks, okay, or who was Keynes, right? I'm not going to say how Keynes looks. See, this is a mistake that I'm doing. I shouldn't do that. Okay, let me give you a small glimpse of who was J.M. Keynes. And when I click the button over here, Keynes and his picture appears, okay, at the corner of the screen. All right, and this is a trade cycle which is supposed to be a wave-like movement. It is not consistent, it is not steady, it is full of ups and downs, and this is how it appears if we have to draw a diagram. Okay, folks, this is as far as my entire content is concerned. I hope you all have understood the entire concept. If you have liked my video and my voiceover PPT and you have understood my concept, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you. And that is all for today, folks. Okay, I say this and then I end and I close my presentation. All right, now once the presentation is closed, okay, I get slides like this. Now here I have only 2 slides, but you will get an array of slides over here which is arranged, and what you will see over here is a time period. Okay, see, it has been recorded for 2.35. now 2.35 is quite a big time. Okay, because I was,
ma'am, we are unable to see anything.
Ma'am, हाँ, जो slide है ना, it has stopped. तो
okay, okay, I'll have to do a new share then. Okay, 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 just hang on.
हाँ. Your screen recording is done ना? आपने जो वो recording किया था?
Is it visible now?
Is not visible as
no,
in
ma'am.
No, okay.
You just have to close it and वो मतलब start recording वाले से शुरू है. सुनिए ना मैम, जब आप record करते हैं, जब ये record करेंगे ना, तो मैंने कल screen automatic पे भी यही था, तो वो वहाँ पर ही pause हो जाएगा, because उस time पे हम अपना recording करते हैं. तो शायद से आपका recording होगा, आप वो
हाँ
रिकॉर्डिंग बता दीजिए,
अभी
है
वो
ना?
प्ले करती हूँ मैं, हाँ ठीक
हाँ
है।
वो प्ले कर दीजिएगा वीडियो
हाँ
दिखा के, और
ओके
फिर इसके प्रोसीजर उनको वापस से बता दीजिएगा, तो
ओके
वो इजी
ओके
पड़ेगा,
ओके
है ना?
ठीक है। I'll put a stop share now and I will
हाँ
share
हाँ,
an
स्टॉप शेयर करके वापस. So participants, like whenever we are doing, currently I am on Zoom, right? So if I want to record anything, which is live recording, it would affect my Zoom screen, because then simultaneously I cannot have two share screens at a time, like sharing of two screens. So कल Screencast-O-Matic में भी मुझे ये issue आया था, which I tried to check, and with Zoom it was not possible recording. But yes, what you can do, if a person is working on a particular app, the person can go ahead and put the video or link on ed mode for others. तो नंदिनी मैम अभी जो कर रहे हैं वो पूरा आपको रिकॉर्ड वाला दिखाएंगे, एंड चाहिए तो उसका स्क्रीन कैस्टोमैटिक करके या उसका स्क्रीन कैप्चरिंग करके we can show it to you. That would be easy. Nandini ma'am, over to you.
Yeah, okay. Now what I'll do is I'll give you a small glimpse of a completed video which I've done, okay? But I'll tell you how you can convert this entire thing into a video later, okay? I'll just run it for around half a minute or 1 minute. The voice is a problem. I wonder if you all will be able to hear, because it, like I told you, it has gone on a low voice recording mode because of the lack of proper kind of apparatus. But still, let us try. Otherwise, I'll explain verbally. You all write it down, okay? And you all try doing it on your laptops or computers, okay? I'm sharing the screen. Please wait. Welcome back. Today we are going to study and understand certain revenue concepts which are discussed under microeconomics for different competitive and imperfect competitive markets. What are these revenue concepts and what exactly is revenue? Revenue is nothing but the sales receipts a firm receives from the sale of its total output. After selling the total output, the firm usually earns the following types of revenue. Here they are. The first one is called as total revenue. In mathematical terms, total revenue is calculated as the price per unit multiplied by the quantity. Total revenue is nothing but the total amount of sales received by the firm from the sale of output produced. Okay, was it audible? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, okay, great. So I succeeded in showing what I had done. All right. Now, I had made it slightly pictorial to make it a little funny, okay, kind of a thing. Y'all can also put up your own photograph saying that I am so-and-so of this college if y'all want to. Okay. Now, what I have done is, once my recording was complete, like I did for that trade cycle PPT, which I showed you all, that small slide, okay? You get on your slide share. Okay, let me just share that again. I'll open it up. Okay, the screen is visible, friends. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Yeah. Now I told you all, once it's recorded, I told you all will get an array of slides, correct? Where you have a time, okay, which is, reflecting down below over here, okay? And on the right hand side, you will see a what you can say, an icon of the sound, okay, a microphone sound which is speaking, or that sound thing which we usually have even in our cell phone, and you know, that kind of an image. That means your voice has now been recorded. Now what you do is, your entire file is ready, it is arranged horizontally, okay. Now after that, you go to this file button, okay, then it will show you save as, okay, you want to save your presentation, correct? So in that save as, okay, what you have done, that will appear first, okay, the title will appear, and below that what will appear is PowerPoint presentation. Now we don't want a PowerPoint presentation, friends. What we want is, we want to convert this into a video, correct? So when you drop that PowerPoint icon, all right, you will get a new huge list, okay, of various kinds of combinations to which you can convert your PPT. But you move down very, very slowly, and you will get Windows Media Player, okay, and you have to click on it. When you click on this Windows Media Player, okay, it will come in a short form for some computers, it will come in the full form also. It is Window Media Player, okay. So WMV, or it will be clearly written Window Media Player. Click on it. The moment you click on it, okay, over here somewhere below, okay, you will see.
Ma'am, we can't see your screen now when you're trying to show. Save.
Ma'am, are you showing it or
Ma'am,
is it?
No, I'm not showing it because
Okay,
I'm unable
okay,
to.
fine.
Okay, it is not dropping on my yeah. Okay. I think
Yeah,
it is
now I
happening,
can.
yes.
Yeah, now we can see.
See, it will give you an option save as, correct? So the moment I click on save as, all right, I'm getting a PowerPoint presentation over here. I hope you all are able to see it, correct? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Now when I drop this further down, okay, you see it is giving a Windows Meta Life, which I don't want. So I drop it again, okay, and I run, and here it is, Windows Media Video. Okay, I have to click on this, okay, and if you're on the latest system of Windows 365, it might directly give you a different what you can say, a media file. It can be an MP4 direct, okay, even that is available. All right, if that is also available, you can click on that by, but my system only gives me Windows Media Video. So that is where I click on this. Please move the window away from the shared application. Okay, right. So when I click on this, okay, my entire PPT gets saved, okay, and I start saving it. The moment, which window you all want me to move from the application? This one? Sorry.
If you stop sharing only, it will say save, it seems. That's why, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
See,
you have
now
to
if
stop
you
sharing.
can, okay, I'll have to stop sharing. But can you all see the screen, by the way?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. We are able to.
Okay. Just down below, you see it is creating a video. See, WMV, I told you all. I hope you all are able to look at this. Okay, it takes some time. Okay, it takes some 2-3 minutes. If the file is large, it may take 5 minutes, but it gets converted. Once this gets converted, okay, you save it on your desktop. It is ready, all right, and you can straight away put it on the YouTube channel. Okay, now I'll stop the share and I'll come back. I hope you all have understood this. See, this green thing is slightly moving ahead. Okay, it gets automatically converted, and once it is done, all right, it will appear on your desktop or wherever you all have shared your so-called PPT. So now your PPT has been converted into a video in which you have your voiceover also, which is there, and your animations also, which are there. It is now a full, wholesome, ready package to be put up on any YouTube channel, because you have to put it up on a YouTube channel to get a link. Otherwise, the link cannot be generated. That is why. Shall I come back to the normal lecture mode?
Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm canceling this part now, and I'm doing a stop share, and I'm back again.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Nandini ma'am, everything was very nicely presented.
Okay.
कुछ टीचर्स हैं जिन्होंने है ना कुछ
हाँ.
पॉइंट्स ऐसे मिस कर दिया है, तो
हो.
शेयर नहीं करके अगर आप खाली वो वर्बली बता दें शॉर्ट में और क्रिस्प में भी.
Okay, okay, I'll do that. Okay. हाँ.
What it
Let's
is
do that.
exactly है ना, सेव वाला जो पार्ट है ना,
हाँ.
वो वाला बता दीजिए तो उनको थोड़ा सा इजी हो जाएगा. मतलब
Okay.
ऐसे सबको समझ में आ गया है,
हाँ.
but there are few teachers जिनको नहीं आया हो, ऐसा कुछ है.
Okay, great. I will do that. All right. See, once your PPT with voiceover is ready, okay, it will appear on the screen horizontally. There are small slides that get arranged on your screen, okay, and on the left hand side you already have a file button, okay, which is there on your computer. All right, you click that file button. When you click that file button, you will get an arrow, save as, etc., etc., etc. You have to click on save as. The moment you click on save as, you will realize that you will have your desktop things that appear on top, and below you will get an option written as PowerPoint presentation. Now you don't need to save it in a PowerPoint presentation. You need to change it and convert it into a video because it has to be uploaded, correct? So that PowerPoint presentation where it is written, you will find that drop down arrow at the corner, on the right hand side corner. Drop that arrow down and you will get multiple what you can say combinations that are available. In that multiple combinations, you have to select window media player or window media video. Okay, window media video. This is one thing. Or it may give you an option of direct to MP4, converted to MP4 if it is a very latest version. All right, that is what I have been told, right? So either of the two, you can click on it, and what happens is when you click on it, all right, it starts, you know, converting your PPT into a video format, which takes around 3 to 4 minutes or maybe even 5 minutes, depending on how heavy the file is. Okay, and once it is done, it appears wherever you're trying to save it in the form of a video. Now, once that is done, if you click on it and if you play it on VLC Media Player, or even if you just click on it, it starts running. All right, and it moves the way you want. Now you don't have to enter, you don't have to click anything. Your video is ready and it moves in its own smooth manner. All right, and it completes itself. And once that is completed, now comes the important part. Okay, you have to link it somewhere, correct? So what you do is you go to your YouTube studio, okay, on you can access your YouTube studio through your Gmail. That is what I did. I accessed it through my Gmail. Okay. And when I opened the YouTube studio, on the right hand corner, there is a video button. All right. That video, if you click on it, all right, it will show you two options: upload a video, okay, or you want to watch a video. Now you go on upload a video. Okay. And when you click on that upload video, all right, you will be asked to upload a video from your either a mobile phone or from your computer desktop. Okay, so from your desktop you select that video, okay, and it will start getting, you know, uploaded. It takes a lot of time. All right, sometimes it takes even 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and if the net is very slow, at times it has taken 45 minutes also for me. So the best time to upload videos are late in the night, according to Indian Standard Time, when everybody shuts down and tries to sleep. So, you know, it gets uploaded very quickly and it remains there. All right, the only thing is you have to authenticate with Google that you are now on a YouTube channel. All right, and you give a name to it, you give a link to your Facebook if you want to. Avoid Facebook, okay, because Facebook sometimes is for personal use also. So link it to your Gmail account. All right, and it remains there. So once you open your Gmail, you can straight away go to the Drive part of applications and you can open up and you can start watching your own video, or you can give the link and share it to other students also. So I hope I have done justice to what I was trying to explain to you all today. Yeah. Okay, I'm getting a thumbs up from Samrat, means I'm very happy. Okay, my other friends are also saying thank you and a good thumbs up for it.
It was wonderful, ma'am. It was excellent.
Thank you so much. I mean, I have tried this, and like I told you, when I joined service, I never knew that I would have had to do all this. So thank you, Samrat, for pulling me into this. And like I told you, 50% he pushed me, 50% are my efforts. And I think we all can do it. If I can, then you all also can. Okay.
Great job, ma'am. Great
Yeah.
job.
Thank you, Vijay, ma'am. Thank you. Okay. Over to you, Samrat. Or if there are
Yes,
any
ma'am.
questions, I will
That's
answer
what
them.
I was about to ask. If you have any question, because operation part would be done for the same after 2 o'clock. So, आज आप post 2 o'clock you will be working on it. So, if you have any questions right now, you can ask. If not, don't just get panic. नहीं हो रहा है, save नहीं हो रहा है. Try to work on it because
Yeah, not an issue. I will share my YouTube link. Many of them of y'all are asking. I'll give you my link. Okay, y'all can watch it. And what y'all do is, in case y'all are unable to, do this because of lack of Microsoft or something, like I told you, on your mobile, y'all record your video. Okay, your speaking video, vocal video, where you are visible. And just give your concept clearly, and then try to link that on the YouTube channel, and you can delete it later on. Okay, so not an issue. And one small request I forgot to tell you. Yes, Rupal ma'am, 1 minute. One small request: when you are uploading on the YouTube, okay, we would appreciate, of course, with your permission, that if you share the link with us and let your YouTube video remain over there, so that we can explain this to NAC later, that we had trained so many teachers, and on this particular day, like, this is how they had uploaded their trial error videos. So I think, but that is with your permission. And when I attended, okay, a session of e-content development, which was sponsored by RUSA, organized in Ruya College, Mumbai, on their Moodle sites, we have left this trial error stuff, because even they are saying that when NAC comes in their college for a visit, okay, we would like to keep it there. And now, according to the new system, everything has to be linked to the SSR. So your links will be of great use to us, and we hope you all cooperate for it. Okay.
That's absolutely
Oh,
okay.
yes.
That's fine. We'll
Okay.
share.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, yes, Rupal ma'am, you wanted to ask
Yeah, I was simply asking that.
Rupal ma'am. Hello.
I think her voice is not audible and
Yeah, her voice is not audible.
she logged out. I think she logged out.
She'll come back.
Anybody else? She has joined again. Okay.
Okay. I can't see her.
She has joined again.
Okay.
But ma'am, happy.
There she is.
Okay.
Yes,
Sorry,
ma'am.
ma'am. I was just asking that from my phone, how do I
Huh.
link it to this YouTube, this thing? Will it just, I mean, on my phone, I record it.
Yes,
and
you
then I
record
upload
it.
on YouTube, right?
Yeah,
So
it
will
will
there
be
the link
saved in,
go
yes.
there?
Yes, it will give you a link, because if you're
Okay.
going, and you have to upload a video, correct? So it has to give you a link, because on YouTube, you just cannot upload it like we do it on Facebook. It will ask you that you want to, upload you on your own channel. Then you will have to say yes, create an artificial channel over there for the time being. Later on, you can delete it and get out of it also completely, not an issue.
Okay, fine, ma'am. Yeah.
But I feel, let it remain there. It will motivate you to create more videos and put it up.
Sure. Thanks, ma'am. It was really a good learning today.
Okay, thank you so much. Anybody else? Okay, I think Samrat, you can take over now. Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can take
I'll
over.
start with the video. I'll start with the session. It was very nice. Now, in this session, before starting the session, I would like to give 2 minutes break or 1 minute. Shall I give 1 minute break, ma'am? किसको वॉशरूम जाना होता है ऐसा कुछ हाँ 1 मिनट का ब्रेक दे देता हूँ तो वॉशरूम जाना ऐसा कुछ होगा तो फिर दे कैन जस्ट गो अहेड विद इट आई एम गिविंग 1 minute 1 or 2 Okay, we will start with the session. I hope people are there.
Yes, we are here.
Okay, so I request
Yes,
everyone to show me a thumbs up so that I understand that people are there. And yes, Rupal ma'am, I can see Sachin sir, Saloni ma'am, Mansi ma'am, and I can see Dhapne ma'am, Mamta ma'am. Yes, yes. So I believe that majority of y'all are here. So now see, in this entire FDP, what you have learned is, you have learned, number one, you are creating your own video. You are creating your own voiceover. You have your own classroom management application. You are well versed with the terminology MOOCs, and you know what is SWAYAM, that is Indian Platform of Operation. Now, the point is, we have been asked a question, have you developed any MOOC? This is a question. Or are you working on anything in terms of curriculum development? So I am sure in autonomous colleges, colleges such as Thakur College or maybe NL College or Mitibai or nearby colleges which are autonomous or non-autonomous colleges also, they might be having certificate courses developed by them, certificate courses or maybe courses which are developed by them. So now, and they may not have Moodle with them. I'm getting a raise of hand, which I will work upon. I mean, I will be answering Prasad sir later. Just give me a minute. So now what happens is, you do have this MOOC, you do have these videos, you do have many things, but where would you upload it? The question is that, where would you upload it? So there is a YouTube channel where you can upload it, but YouTube channel पे आप MOOC develop नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है? We would not tell it as MOOC. So when a question comes, where MOOC would work for, there is a platform called Udemy. Udemy is a platform where you can become an instructor and develop your MOOC. You can go there, you can work upon the videos which you have made and you can upload those videos. I will show it to you how it works, and I'll show it to you how you can become an instructor on Udemy and earn money. So I hope people are there with me. So Shalini ma'am, it thumbs up ho jaye. Yes, people are there with me. I can see the thumbs up. So I'm sharing the screen of Udemy right now. I hope everything is stable enough. I'm sharing the screen of Udemy. So this screen will tell you how you can develop your course. This screen will tell you the market insight. Matlab, for example, I am creating a video. For example, I'm creating a course, and the course is on life skills. Yeah, the course is on C++. Yeah, the course is on recruitment and selection in XYZ company. या recruitment and selection course का नाम मैंने दिया है. तो ऐसे मैंने खुद का course develop किया है. And how do I put that course? Whether the course has a market insight or not. वो market में चलने लायक है या नहीं है. How do I come to know? I'm going to show you that. Everything will be shown. I'm sharing the screen. Kindly see that. So this is the screen share. You type Udemy, go to udemy.com. This is the udemy.com page. This is the page which will appear in front of you. These are the courses which you can join as student. So these are the courses which you can do. These are all small short-term courses of 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hour maximum. These are the courses. You can select the courses from this part. I can show you the course which I have completed. Oh, I don't know whether it is. Okay, my wish list. I can show you my wish list. Okay, no, it will not show because the ID is different. But yes, I'll work upon it. I'll show you the wish list which I have done. So this is the course which I completed. A course of Becoming an Agile Digital Innovator. This is a course which I completed yesterday. And let me just show you the page. Okay, here you can click on instructor. See, this is student. Once again, I'll take you back. When you log into your page, all courses, this is the page will open in front of you, where you will get all the information of different courses. Click on this part, instructor, or you can go to your profile and click on, over here you will get an option of create course. Click on create course. It will ask few information, in which stream you want to create course, how you want to create course, what all things you want to put. It will ask few basic questions. 3 steps verification will be there, and then you will get this page. This is a page which is there in front of you, and this page is about creating your own course. I hope you could see creating your own course page.
Yes.
Yes, okay, then we move ahead with the same thing. So this is a page which speaks for create your own course. Before creating the course, I want to show you the insight, market insight. So click on tools, you will get market insight. This market insight is nothing but it will help you to understand, or it will help you to know which all courses are there in the market which are running well. Let me just type C++. You may get background noise from my side. I highly apologize for the same. I've typed C++. This is a course. This is a course which I want to see the market insight of. So you can see the demand of students is very high. Number of courses are available. Minimum monthly revenue. Opening this course, or who's making this course, the instructor can get $26 a month minimum and $20,000 a month, which is maximum revenue which you can earn as an instructor. So if you're developing a course on C++, you have a chance of earning $20,000 a month. I will type another course. For example, let me just type a course on travel photography. Let's see travel photography course. I can see the student demand is not there much. The courses are not available much. So I have a scope where I can just create this course, and I can earn $142 a month, which is a very huge amount. Same way, let us take a course on HR, that is human resource related thing. So yes, we have high courses available, student demand is high, and the money you can earn is $1,300. I hope the course insight was visible to you. How you can see that how much you can earn. See, जो भी video आप बना रहे हो, you are making lots of videos. I know you are going to use Screencast-O-Matic, you are going to use PPT, Microsoft PPT, you are going to create your own content, you are going to prepare your own course. You will prepare a 10-hour course. But where do you put it? I guess Mansi ma'am ने ये question पूछा था मुझसे. If I'm not wrong, Mansi had asked a question. Where do we put? Can we put it on Swayam? Of course, it is not easy to put it on Swayam because the bureaucratical and procedural formalities are too much, and I have been the coordinator of Swayam, so I know there are lots of difficulties. From Mumbai University, maybe after 2 years, I did I did this being a mentor at Swayam. 4 years ago, I was appointed as a mentor, and after 4 years, I see Mandar sir told me 2 years ago or maybe 1 year ago, he became the facilitator, and only universities are allowed. Affiliated colleges have to connect to university and then go to Swayam. So it is not easy. And of course, Swayam is giving you 14 lakh rupees to prepare course content. But here, being at home, very small courses, मैं बताऊं, यहाँ पे अगर आप courses देखेंगे बहुत छोटा है, पालक पनीर बनाना या इंडियन खाना बनाने का कोर्स है, जिसमें बिरयानी, different types of biryani बनाने का कोर्स है. You will find courses related to making palak paneer malai kofta. You will find courses related to how to repair your cell phone, how to repair your computer. ऐसे courses हैं. So you can prepare courses by yourself. Of course, you need to have a structured format of it. You need to have proper videos of it. आपको introductory video देना पड़ेगा जो बहुत ही impactful होना चाहिए. Not only that, आपका course you have to put it on Udemy, and Udemy the authorities will just go through the introductory video and they will allow it, and then you can just post your course, complete course. Now let me tell you, अगर ये जो course है आपने ना 100 रुपए का रखा या 1000 रुपए का, 1000 rupees का course आपने उसका, you have to give the amount के मैं 100 रुपया या 1000 रुपए का ये course I want to put it on Udemy. So for example, 1000 rupee is the amount fixed by you for the course. Now, when you are promoting the course by the key given by Udemy to you, and you're promoting the course by yourself to the students or to the society through Facebook, through Instagram, you will get 95% of money from that 1000 rupees. That is 950 rupees for each child who's joining the course. But if Udemy is promoting the course, so you must have seen the window which I opened. Udemy was promoting the course. Udemy had lots of pop-ups for you when you go to the website. So if Udemy is promoting the course, they will give around 25 to 30% of the revenue to you. So it is a very good form of creating your own MOOC and promoting your own subject. Not necessarily subject related MOOC होना चाहिए. The MOOC can be related to your interest, related to your travel, related to anything. And let me tell you, आजकल majorities of students, they go for such kind of thing rather than going from that regular. आपको पता होगा यूएस ने 1 साल के लिए स्कूल बंद किया है. It is not just because वो 1 साल के लिए स्कूल बंद कर दिया तो फिर they are not teaching. They have their own MOOC. The freedom and the autonomy of teacher teaching the course content, teacher coming up with their own structured way, that autonomy is there. And autonomous colleges में शायद सब वो चीजें हैं. जैसे हमारे college में भी like in FIBCom, I have prepared the course, so I had the autonomy to prepare the entire course syllabus and course structure and things which I want, and that kind of thing is there, and that will help you in terms of growth. और आजकल के बच्चों को वही चाहिए. जब मैं 11th standard और 12th standard के बच्चों को पढ़ाता हूँ, I've got a question, sir. Are they providing certificates? I will come to this also. Yes. When I teach 11th standard, 12th standard students, I see that they are very much into these MOOCs and Coursera and MIT, Massachusetts University के courses में. They are much more in comparison of my third year students of TY which I teach. So जो TY का बैच है वो बहुत ही old हो गया है और वो they don't bother to go for such things. But अब जो generation आ रही है first year second year, क्या आप खुद अपने घर पे देखेंगे, you can see your kids running for all such things, and they are so tech savvy and they are so much into all these MOOCs and all that they are going to just, the future is going to be MOOC only. That is the reason even our vice principal says that government is pressurizing on Swayam for 3 credits, because in future there are chances where they can replace few of the subjects with MOOC. And that is what has happened. Today, COVID has replaced that particular teaching learning. हम सिर्फ exam का wait कर रहे हैं और वो भी बहुत ही ट्रेडिशनल कॉलेजेस में ऐसा चल रहा होगा कि हाँ ठीक है एग्जाम लेना है, जुलाई में लेंगे, जुलाई तक we are waiting for July to open and we are going to take exam during that part. Whereas there are a few advanced colleges जहाँ पे we are being told that complete your examination or complete your course, complete your lectures online. And I have conducted in my certificate course, I conducted an exam and I'm done with the grading part. I just have to submit the mark sheet for credit to the office. That's it. Everything is done and I've just mailed the mark sheet to the office. This is how the system is going to be in future. So this is the right time where you jump into MOOC and you work for it. I had few questions asked by Mansi ma'am or asked by Jewel ma'am. Certificates are provided or not? So yes, they do provide certificate to the participants who complete the course. You will have a market insight. I'll show it to you, not market insight, but the insight. Let me just show it to you by screen share. This was your market insight. Performance. See, I have created a new ID yesterday so that I can show you all these things. In my ID, I cannot show you because I have certain personal things on that. But still, this is the performance thing. So how many students are enrolled? You can see that. What are the reviews given by them? Course engaged, how many of them are engaged? Who all are going in this course? Like how earned, total revenue this month, total enrollment this month. This is how you can see through performance. You can communicate with students or you can work on things. Once you go through the entire website, you will learn or you will come to know the things. Please teach us how to join. Yes, Ratna ma'am, I will go ahead once again. Please specify some free MOOCs by Divya ma'am. Okay, there was a recent, what we say, WhatsApp media. WhatsApp media has forwarded Howard School's, Harvard Business School's courses, which were free on MOOC. So Harvard के कुछ certificate free थे MOOC के, you can just access Harvard. MIT के कुछ courses है, Coursera पे कुछ courses है which are free. I would say why to get into free things, rather just join which are paid, which would be good. मैं बताऊँ free trial आपने Screencast-O-Matic किया और उसके अंदर 40 मिनट से ज़्यादा वीडियो आप अपलोड भी नहीं कर पा रहे थे. 40 मिनट शायद से 10 मिनट का ही वीडियो था, not more than 10 to 20 minutes, है ना? So if it is free, it has some limitations.
Some problems.
You have very restrictive things, but have it paid. That's what I'm saying. If you, for example, Edmodo, मैंने Edmodo एक वेबसाइट लिया है बस, क्लासरूम मैनेजमेंट, मैंने उसका पेमेंट कर दिया. मैंने Zoom लिया, मैंने Zoom का $15 पर मंथ का है. I have paid it because I know I'm going to use it. So बहुत ही restrictive चीज ले लीजिए जिसका आपको है ना एक महीने का 1500-2000 रुपए जाएगा. So you have to keep at least 3000 rupees for your own self-development, your classroom development as a teacher, your own you can say enrichment and upgradation. You have to spend money. It is not just library visiting and reading the textbooks or things. You have to be in touch with the society and you have to be in touch with today's millennials, and for which you need to go ahead with such things, and that is the reason you have to spend for it. And I have been spending, जैसे अगर मुझे स्कोपस में डालना है तो मैंने 25,000 रुपए डाल के स्कोपस में डाला है पेपर. अगर मुझे कोई कोर्स करना है तो मैंने कोर्स किया है. रत्ना मैम, आपका क्वेश्चन का आंसर मैं दे रहा हूँ. प्लीज टीच अस हाउ टू जॉइन. एंड यस, हाँ मैम.
हाँ, मैं ये पूछ रही थी ना, बहुत दिन से आई एम ट्राइंग टू जॉइन, ये क्या कहते हैं इसका, बिहेवियरल थेरेपी कोर्स है अनडेमी का, but I am not able to join and I don't know how I have to do it. So please teach me that. I will
teach you. अभी मैं करा देता हूँ. और मानसी मैम का भी एक क्वेश्चन है, from employability point of view for students, what is the credibility of the course? See, let me tell you, employability, अगर आप वहाँ पर जो courses है, जैसे मेरे जो बच्चे हैं, मेरे in my course, So I have told them to go for digital marketing course. I have told them to go for the courses which are related to basic market, you can say hedging and all. तो मैं उनको ऐसे courses बोलता हूँ. Yes, Nandini ma'am has the answer for it. She will also go.
Can Anubhuti speak over here about Ursa Minor? About the employability part?
Yes. Employability course के Ursa Minor is. आपका question का answer अनुभूति मैम दे देंगे अभी तुरंत. मैं उनको connect कर रहा हूँ.
या connect करके उनको unmute करो.
हाँ. Related to employability, Anubhuti ma'am can speak. I guess Anubhuti ma'am is.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, हाँ, एक question Anubhuti ma'am by Mansi ma'am related to employability thing. तो आप है ना Ursa Minor का glimpse दीजिए.
Ursa Minor का short.
The thing is, we have in our college we have an MOU with Ursa Minor. They like this is a kind of a startup by some around 6 people who are from the field of banking only, very experienced bankers, and they had started this up as a training for training to be for future bankers. And they with them we have a tie-up, and so they are the kind of courses that they are giving very crisp and very like they are all online video lectures, and they are the students are supposed to appear for some quizzes at the end of it, and they when they clear the quizzes then they are given the certificates related to that. And we have been able to, last year there are like out of around 22 students got directly into HDFC last year, and one of the two of them have been placed at very good positions also, depending upon within 1 and 2 months they were even they were absorbed at very good places, and in audit department, and then in the trade finance and all. So such courses definitely help you to gain an edge over the others, because all the others are also getting their graduates are there, but yes, with an extra edge, these students are getting more confidence also to face interviews and all. And the other thing is that anything extra for the students definitely is helping them getting more jobs. See, we have seen a sudden increase in the number of jobs that we are able to provide to the students. So placement statistics also increase for the college.
And last year, I think, was the trial.
That was a trial. That was the first
pilot project, we can say, but that's why the number was small, yet it was very successful.
But out of if we see, almost 70% of the students who had got enrolled have been placed. So that's a very good number for if we consider placement.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So yes, that was very nice, Anubhuti ma'am. और मैं भी यहाँ पे कुछ क्वेश्चन है. एक तो मानसी मैम का क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो गया. रत्ना मैम आपके क्वेश्चन का आंसर मैं दे रहा हूँ, और दिव्या मैम के क्वेश्चन का आंसर भी मैं दे रहा हूँ. दिव्या मैम, आपके क्वेश्चन का आंसर इंटरनेशनल फ्रंटियर पे, yes, you can go to London School of Economics. उनके MOOC है, Coursera के MOOC है. There are ample of websites which you can access. You will get the MOOC over there. Now I will be teaching you how as a student you can join for a MOOC. So I'm sharing the website right now. 8 minutes. Screen share. And then yes, let me just take you as student. So when you are joining Udemy, so you will be joining as a student. Okay, so you will get an option of join as student. The moment you join as student, you will get different courses popping up to your screen. In the search column, I guess I am getting, just give me a minute. वो स्क्रीन चालू हो रहा है, जरा सा टाइम लग रहा है, तो 1 मिनट को चालू हो जाए, then I can just move ahead. So yes, in the students section, the moment you join Udemy, it will ask you you will be joining it as student. वहाँ पे search का option explore करिए you course on Udemy, but she could not find. If you are unable to find the course on Udemy, you can go on Coursera and join the Economics, Massachusetts University, Howard School. So वहाँ पे you will get such courses. या फिर so I guess your course was related to psychology, so you can join the course accordingly. Then could you please specify, Joel ma'am? Okay, so yes, let me just share the screen to you once again. If it is open, yes, it is open now. So I'm sharing you the screen. So this is a screen where you will get different courses. These are the courses which you can join. Click on the course and you can join the course. Now, how can you as an instructor go ahead with the course? So click on your profile. The moment you click on the profile, here you will get an option. Create a course. I will not get it because I'm already an instructor. You have to click here, create a course. Click on that. It will ask few questions related to your discipline, and then you will go to the instructor section. The moment you click on create, I can't see anything. Once again, I'll tell you. See, there could be issue related to internet. Once again, go to Udemy, join Udemy through your email as student. Extreme right hand corner, you will see your name. SS आएगा, मेरा SS सम्राट श्रीवास्तव आ रहा है. आपका, for example, ममता मैम का MS profile आएगा. Click on that. नीचे आपको आएगा create your course on Udemy या create करके option निकालना नीचे. Click on that. Go with certain security questions, and then you will find a page. On that page, there will be an option, create your course. Click on create your course. You will get that page which I showed you. Let me just show that page again to you. You will get this page. Click on create your course. Once you click on create your course, you will get options related to submission of things. Udemy will ask you certain submissions like your introductory video. It may ask you about your course content, explore it, and then you can just upload your things. जो video आप YouTube पे, for example, मैं research methods पढ़ाता हूँ. So research method बना है, chapter 2 का बना, chapter 3 का बना. Upload those things, whatever Udemy is asking from you, and then you can, somebody ask me, can you set the price? Yes, you can set the price. So I had set the price rupees 1,000 initially. People did not join it. Then I reduced the price. I asked Udemy to reduce the price. They gave discount, and it was 50% discount with 500 rupees. Only 7 students could join. Then I reduced it. Special, saying special offer, 200 rupees. And I asked my students
Sir,
to join it.
How to set the price?
Ma'am, it will come into your option. Udemy will ask you, set the price. The moment you get into the course, see, I don't have videos right now, and if I get into uploading things, my statistics will go down because then I will upload a thing and it is a raw video, right? If I upload a raw video, then Udemy will check it, and I upload kiya and then I'm removing the video from that. So it will affect my statistics. For example, Instagram page, you are uploading something, and then after uploading, if you remove that particular thing from Instagram, your statistics goes down. Or on TikTok, if you upload a video, you keep the video in draft for a longer period of time. So TikTok will reduce your statistics of followers and page hit. That is something Udemy also does. Ratna ma'am, you had a question.
It's clear now. Thank you very much. Now I got
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Thank
So
you.
I have a question from Snehal Madam. Before joining our course should be complete and clear. Yes. Before starting anything, you should be clear about what you are going, which type of questions you may face. You should be clear about the content, the time limit, कौन सा वीडियो कब पोस्ट करना है, वीडियो की नंबरिंग कैसी होनी चाहिए. जैसे अभी this FDP, before starting the FDP, I had all the letters ready, I had all the formats ready. आपका assignment कब post करना है, assignment schedule कब करना है, then which assignment will be given at which time, participants के questions कैसे आ सकते हैं, कौन से type के questions आ सकते हैं, and all the practice session and everything was done. So same way Snehal ma'am, you have to be clear with everything. And then only मतलब कोर्स आउटकम क्या होना चाहिए, आपका कोर्स ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या होना चाहिए. असेसमेंट इसमें नहीं होता, इसमें वीडियो देखना ही होता है. क्विज यू कैन पुट इट बीच में, पोल, बट यस देयर आर नो असेसमेंट्स, सो यू डोंट हैव टू कम अप विद एनी काइंड ऑफ असेसमेंट, बट यस you have to be clear with all the steps. Yes, Nihal ma'am ka thumbs up aa gaya, that means I have answered the question. Please do ask questions related to Udemy or related to any of the two. You are free to ask questions. Don't type it, it will take time in typing, rather just unmute yourself and ask. Ratna ma'am, आपका सारा question clear हो गया, आपके 2-3 question थे. I hope चलते चलते मैंने
Yeah, I got it. सब clear हो गया. Doubts actually क्या हुआ, because since long I have been trying to join Udemy, but I don't know how to do it.
अभी पता है कि आप एक कोर्स ज्वाइन करिए और आप एक खुद का कोर्स बना के डालिए और पैसा कमाइए.
Sure, I'll do that.
सारे शालिनी मैम, हम इतने सारे कोर्सेज और इतनी सारी चीजें कर रहे हैं, अब टाइम है पैसा कमाने का. सो अब आई वुड से पार्टिसिपेंट्स, आपने पैसे डाले हैं कॉन्फ्रेंसेज अटेंड करने के लिए, वेबिनार अटेंड करने के लिए, अब टाइम है खुद का बना के कमाओ. एंड यू कैन सी कितना $1,000 मिलता है, कई बार तो 1000, 24,000, 25,000. I'll tell you, YouTube पे there is a video, एक छोटा सा बच्चा है who gives a review of toys. कि कोई एक टॉय ले लेगा और बोलेगा इसका रिव्यू ऐसा है, ये टॉय ऐसा है वैसा.
Yes, I've seen that.
And you will not believe he is earning more than 15 lakh rupees a month. More than 15.
Yeah, he's earning a lot.
Yes, and you will not believe these TikTokers and all. कई बार अपने को लगता है ना कि ये क्या फालतू वीडियो बनाया, ये वायरल हो गया है. And ये जो जैसे डिंचैक पूजा, she was earning more than 20 lakh rupees. I am of course very big fan of Dinchak Pooja, because her dislikes are more than likes, and on dislikes she is earning money. So that is what
she is earning from critics.
There are videos in yes, from critics. So that is what people are into, and
negative branding
a lot. Negative branding, yes, negative branding. And that is what YouTube is paying a lot to people. And in fact, I'm telling you, these TikTokers also are on YouTube and they are earning a lot. Same way, if you are into these market insight, if you are into Udemy and if you are into all such things, creating videos and all, you are going to earn. क्योंकि अभी छोटी छोटी चीज मैं बताऊं, अभी खाने के वीडियो, हाउ टू प्रिपेयर मोमोज, उसके वीडियोस अब आ गए हैं, मतलब YouTube पे बहुत ज्यादा हिट कर रहे हैं, they are getting likes. How to prepare पानी पूरी का मसाला, all these things. People are quarantine में यही सब चीजें ज्यादातर views में आ रही हैं. I saw the analytics and I just saw it and I was shocked. I was like, ये सारी चीजें ज्यादा हिट कर रही हैं. So you can post it and you can just earn money from this. Any question? Are there any FAQ questions to guide us with the Udemy on YouTube? Yes, you have lots of FAQ questions in terms of Udemy will provide you FAQ. If you're an instructor, you will get information. You can very well chat with them and you can send them mail and you can solve your queries. There are guides. You can ask for guides to help you in terms of that. Okay, Mohini ma'am's answered. I mean, I answered the question. Any question related to any of the tool or app, please do ask. Unmute yourself and ask. Rupal ma'am, we have the autonomy to prepare things. That's what I'm saying. We have the autonomy to prepare things, so we can just jump into it. Audibility.
No, today, the task is today to just make the PPT and upload it. Any task for Udemy? I think it we women can start with
No task for
how to do
Udemy.
घर का
पैसा
काम
कमाने
in
के
half an
लिए कोई
hour.
टास्क नहीं है.
Udemy, you can do it lifelong.
That's what I'm saying.
See,
We
I
can
thought
start a course on how to do घर का काम and
I
stay
thought of
without a
giving a
wife
task on
forever.
Udemy. Yes, certainly. I thought of giving a task on Udemy, but फिर मैंने बोला कि देखो पैसा तो आप कमाने वाले हो और टास्क देके फायदा क्या होगा मुझे, इसीलिए let them learn by themselves.
True.
Dollars में कमाने.
It's time for us to become consultants now, right?
And also for Udemy, you have to be absolutely prepared. A lot of work beforehand is required. We cannot post anything there.
You can't play around there. You have to be pretty perfect.
That's why it will take a lot of time.
I got a question from Mansi ma'am. Should we join as an instructor? No, you have to join it as a student, and then you will get a option of instructor. पहले आपको कोई कोर्स नहीं करना है, बट आप ज्वाइन एज अ स्टूडेंट ही होंगे. मैं आपको दिखा दूं, बहुत ही अच्छे वीडियोस होते हैं Udemy पे. If I could just open one of my video.
You share the link, na, if possible, later.
I can share you the course which I did on Udemy. जैसे अभी मैंने जो कोर्स किया मैं वो आपको शेयर करता हूँ. उसका वीडियो बहुत ही सिंपल है. There are no people in that. The person is just writing with chalk. Chalk as in the marker. He's just writing with marker, and fabulous video. Like you'll not believe he has made it so nicely. Time lapse को लेकर, and I have tried that particular thing, for which I ordered. There is a professional note maker which is of 2,700 rupees. जिसके अंदर I can work with that particular thing.
These things will make you buy a lot of apparatus. Be ready for it.
So that is what I wanted to buy that, and I purchased it. And I can make. I'm just practicing on it. How can I make that particular video? So I have been working on it. So you can also do that. I'll share the link of the course which I did on Udemy, so that it is easy for you to see the introductory video, at least how he is working. That would be very nice thing. Any question?
Yeah,
the forum is open for the question, and if we have no question, we will move ahead. Yes, please. Saloni ma'am,
yeah,
any
sir,
question?
Can we create course if we are joining it as a student on Udemy?
Yes. The question Saloni ma'am asked is, can we create course if we join a student? See, once you are joining a student, I told you, you have to transform yourself into instructor. तो आपको मैंने बताया, आपको आपके प्रोफाइल के पास जाना है, create course पे क्लिक करना है, and then there will be some security question, your area of interest, and are you an instructor, you are from which, are you a school instructor or higher education instructor. ऐसे कुछ basic security question होंगे, और फिर आप instructor, आपका वो plugin instructor का open होगा. Directly open नहीं होगा plugin. It will take time.
So I have a query.
Yes,
sir. Hello. Yeah. So what I wanted to. Yeah. So suppose I have designed a course for, say, a 4-day course or something. Okay. So how do I upload? I upload the entire course together, or for 4 different days, day 1, day 2, I can upload it later. How does it work exactly?
So let me tell you how it works. Initially, you have to submit. There are some steps, like there are 4 levels of steps. So initially, you have to upload your course content, like what all things you will be completing, or logon ko benefit kaisa hoga, how people will work upon it. Then they will ask you to prepare an introductory video. Introductory video will be prepared by you. I can show you an introductory video of Massachusetts University, or I'll share you the link of Massachusetts University. Let me just write it so that I don't forget that thing. MIT ka video. I will share that MIT video of introduction. So you have to prepare an introductory video. That introductory video will be seen by the governing body of Udemy. Once they see the video, what they will do? They will approve your course, and they will ask you to upload few hours. Like for example, the video is of 10 hours, or maybe just the course was of 2.5 hours. So 2.5 hour के I had prepared almost 10 videos. So I showed those 10 videos. तो मैंने वो post किया और फिर वो 10 videos वो directly forum में आ जाएगा, आपको एक key आ जाएगा, वो key आपको forward करना रहेगा. But it has like 3 to 4 levels. The time that I uploaded research methods का video, there were 4 levels. पहले मैंने email के through उनसे बात किया and then I uploaded one introductory video. तो उन्होंने फिर कुछ basic banking information मांगा मुझसे and then finally they asked me to go for all the videos and then they gave me the key. So 4 levels था उसके अंदर. Here now they must have come up with a new method अभी क्योंकि quarantine में और जैसे जैसे चीजें बढ़ने लगती हैं, जैसे जैसे पॉपुलैरिटी बढ़ने लगती है, लेवल प्रोसीजरल कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज को कम करके शॉर्टकट्स कर देते हैं वो लोग. तो मे भी ऐसा कुछ हो जाए कि प्रोसीजरल कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज कम हो और यू कैन अपलोड इट. अभी फिलहाल तो आई एम नॉट इनटू एनी काइंड ऑफ सच वीडियोस और अपलोडिंग थिंग क्योंकि रिसेंटली मैंने कुछ अपलोड नहीं किया. तो रिसेंटली क्या चल रहा है, क्योंकि एक घंटे में चीजें चेंज होती है, हर 1 घंटे में चीजें चेंज होती है. तो अभी प्रोसीजर अलग है, आधे घंटे बाद प्रोसीजर अलग होगा. जैसे आज मैंने लूडो खेला तो लूडो में अपडेट्स नहीं थे, कल तुरंत अपलोड, कल आज सुबह मैंने देखा तो देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ अपलोड्स, आई मीन अपडेट्स एंड न्यू प्लगइन्स ऑन लूडो. सो कल रात को कुछ अलग है. सो यू कैन जस्ट वर्क ऑन इट. यस मैम.
I want to just ask that is there any charge if I uploading something?
No, there are no charges. It is for free because they are earning from your money. आपके वीडियो से उनको पैसा मिल रहा है.
Okay.
Okay, there is a question on the WhatsApp group that when you have to submit your so-called PPT video lectures, correct? When you have to keep it ready and all. I think tomorrow is Friday. Saturday is the last day for them, Samrat?
Yes, ma'am. The PPT video for the feedback thing which they are asking. Nandini ma'am वाला जो task है वो तो आज ही होगा शायद. इनका है ना Nandini ma'am?
Yes. By 24 hours, I'll give you 24 hours after the session ends. By tomorrow afternoon, at least give me the links of it on Edmodo.
Yes, so Nandini ma'am wala task is for today, and my task tomorrow day after tomorrow is validatory. So probably principal and deans would join in. They will join. So we will have only 1 hour session, जहाँ पे it would be feedback session. So आपने already video बना लिया होगा, I believe Saturday तक, या Saturday को आप बनाएंगे. तो वो feedback part जो है, I would request teachers जिसको feedback देना है and honest feedback, like trust me, principal will emphasize and she will ask you for
she
honest.
Had told you all in the very beginning on the first day, please give your honest feedback. And
so जो चीजें चल रही है नहीं चल रही है, क्या चीज चाहिए क्या नहीं चाहिए, इंटरनेट नहीं चल रही, सारी चीजें आपको honestly बताना पड़ेगा. She will prove you to tell negative things. So yes, please give honest feedback, which I would also appreciate, because at the end we have to come up with new things. Nandini ma'am and we are planning for batch 2 for the same thing, and we are also planning for construction of course. How do you construct a course? Curriculum designing के ऊपर and outcome based education. Vijaya ma'am, if you're there, she is you can say Maharat. She has Maharat on this.
Yeah. She will lead us.
Samrat sure will have.
If it
she
works
has
out,
expertise. Yes. So we will be working. All 3 of us are working on OBE.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So once we are done with it, we will share the information. So if there are lacunas in this, you will tell us and we will, not now, you tell us on the feedback day.
On the feedback day.
We will work upon it.
Nandini ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shalini ma'am question, yes.
Nandini ma'am, so the PPT video that I have to put up for today's work, it has to be posted on FDP, the page of, FDP page, right?
Yes,
wall.
you give the link over there, madam, link.
Yeah. But on FDP, because last time also, I think as one of my assignments I submitted in my wall, and then I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, so
you can keep it on your wall and share the link also with us on our walls.
Okay.
On the
Sure.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
related to subject only, no?
Preferably, yes, because that is when you can bring yourself out to the best. That is what I believe in. Otherwise, general will be something which would not be welcome. So subject, whether we understand mathematics or IT, fine, but You have done your best in giving it. That's why I insist on the
Any
subject.
limit?
number of slides,
Slides are up to you. You can go up to 10 slides also. Make it maximum 6 minutes. Don't go beyond it. Okay, the time is important more than the slides. So you try to comprise it in 6 minutes in the form of a PPT video.
Please, you'll be posting on FDP, ma'am.
Pardon, sir?
Quiz,
Yeah,
quiz.
you quiz. No, I think this should be enough for you. This itself is a task because it takes time. When you start doing it, that is when we all start scratching our heads.
Yes, madam. Thank you. Thanks a lot. You relieved
So,
us.
I think Samrat has already given it homework. So I think that one part.
Struggling with all the homeworks.
Yes, we are working from home and we are working for home also.
Yes, madam.
It is highly appreciable because you have too much of work. Like you are also working for your house as well as you're working for office. So I can see पीछे से बच्चे जा रहे हैं, मम्मी क्या हो रहा है? I want to peep. Kids are peeping into your videos.
That's why half of the time I stop the video.
Samrat,
Yes,
always women are Astavadari.
Yes.
I can understand. And I'm sure all of you all must be getting up early in the morning, finishing the household chores and then getting back to it. So I can understand.
Exactly.
Yes.
It is highly appreciable.
Yes.
Yeah.
But still you're with us. That
Absolutely
is a very big
crucified, ma'am.
motivation for us.
Any question related to it? If not, for this session, Udemy session, can I have a thumbs up if everything is going well? Snehal ma'am has a question, it seems, but can I have a thumbs up? Please unmute yourself if you have a question. So I think, yes, I've got lots of thumbs up.
Last question.
Yes, yes, please do
Last
ask.
question. In that video which you have told, you told about in that feedback video, testimonials we have to add. So I'm not very much clear about that. Do we have to add the content which we have created?
No, I'll tell you. वो जो last day का video है, वो क्या है? Last day का video is feedback which you are giving it to us. So now in this feedback, आप कैसे शुरू करेंगे? आप अपना नाम बताएंगे. Hi, my name is so and so. I joined this particular FDP और ये FDP में ये चीज कराया. उसका learning outcome आप बताएंगे कि when I was doing this, I was very much reluctant and then I got to know this. This is my learning outcome. This is what. And it can be in Hindi, it can be in English. Preferably Hindi, English only, no other language. So then you will be saying, okay, yes, this was the outcome which you learned from this particular FDP. And then you will give the testimonial related to the tools that you will say, yes, my personal favorite is, for example, you will say my personal favorite is, take some tool, whatever tool which you like, Edmodo. So on Edmodo, I make sure that I will do all these things and I have learned XYZ thing from Edmodo. Then you will come to the feedback part and it all will be in one video. 5 minute का video रहेगा, just 5 मिनट, 3 मिनट का भी रहेगा, 2 मिनट का मत करिएगा, मैं 3 मिनट 4 मिनट का रखिएगा, जिसमें you will be saying feedback related to the session. Yes, ये सारी चीजें थी, ये चीजें अच्छी लगी, ये चीजें खराब लगी. The organizer should work on all these points.
Sorry to disturb right now, but it is only to be in the form of a video or like
voice over भी चलेगा मैम. वीडियो जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल पता है क्या, स्क्रीन कास्ट. I wanted to make you acquainted with this screencast or maybe through this PPT thing. तो पता है क्या कर सकते हैं आप, पीछे ऐसे आप अपना वीडियो खुद का, जैसे मोबाइल पे भी बना सकते हैं. ये इट इज नॉट कंपलसरी ऑन स्क्रीनकास्ट. आप एक मोबाइल रखिए, मोबाइल के ऊपर वो वीडियो बनाइए और वो वीडियो अपलोड करिए.
मतलब it can be even in the form of just a video also where we are speaking and then is that so?
Yes.
Okay.
On cell phone, on laptop, on anything. Nandini ma'am, yes please.
Yeah. And in the feedback, cover the resource persons also, because madam in the end will ask you, what about my resource persons? What do you have to say about them? Yeah. So in those 5 minutes, you cover up that also so that she gets an opinion.
Yeah,
and honest opinion.
Yes, this feedback is going to work as a documentation also. That's
yes, Saloni ma'am, yes.
Sir, resource person, the major part of our feedback would be resource person only. You both kept us involved since last 3 days. Lots of tasks you are giving. Yesterday evening, I was very much confused and I was totally nervous how to do that. And I even asked you personally, but I got it right now. I understood what you require. I understood now. So should I make a video explaining all the sessions in detail, or I would just
no, see, it has to be of 5 minutes, maximum 5, take it to 5 minutes, and छोटा सा crisp video, जैसे आप देखते हैं ना film star बनाते हैं, hi I'm so and so from this place, I'm coming to K.E. Shroff College, ऐसे करके आप एक छोटा सा film star video बनाइए.
Okay, I understood, sir. Understood. Yeah,
yes,
thank
yes.
you.
You're giving us a feel of a film star, right?
Yes.
Nandini ma'am, I had a question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Moini.
Ma'am, with regard to your today's PPT, can I, like, even I teach economics, so
yes,
I've already made a topic with an entire PPT. So should I break it up to 10 slides and then put a voiceover?
Yes, please do that. Yes.
Okay.
You take up any small part of that and then you put it up in the form of a voiceover.
Okay. And do I have to upload it somewhere, or I have to just create a link and send it on Edmodo?
You will have to upload. Only if, I think, Samrat, only when you go for uploading, you get a link, correct?
Yes, when you upload on YouTube, when you upload it, you get a YouTube link on it. So whenever you are creating any video, just make sure that you're posting it on your YouTube link. बाद में आप उसको archive कर दीजिए, पर ये सारी चीजें आपकी record रहेगी for future. जैसे मैं बताऊँ, 7 years ago, maybe 6 years ago, I went to Warangal for this online course content creation and all. और वो टाइम पे जो मैंने वीडियो बनाए थे, उस टाइम पे लैपटॉप भी नहीं था. I didn't have laptop and I had to prepare videos और बहुत ही difficulties वाली वीडियो थी. और पीछे चिड़िया की आवाज आ रही है. वो चीज भी I have kept it today and I do check that after a certain period of time, ताकि you come to know okay, these were the mistakes I did. I should not do this.
And Moini ma'am, go ahead with whatever you little apparatus. In fact, all of you all go ahead with it. There's nothing to feel uncomfortable about it, because like as Samrat said, जैसे चिड़िया की आवाजें आ रही है, वो मेरे वीडियो में भी आपको realize होंगे. But let it remain there. Like, once it is there, you're motivated to do it again and again in a better way. So go ahead with it. That's what I'm saying.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Now it is the time to end the session. It is almost 2 o'clock and I hope we are on time for every session. 12 से 2 ही रखना है. तो अगर कोई question नहीं है, क्योंकि 2 बजे के बाद में again 3 o'clock I have sessions. So अगर कोई question नहीं है, तो we can exit the meeting. I request the thumbs up from everyone so that I can just move ahead. Okay, I can see the thumbs up from most of the participants. And I'll just move ahead with these thumbs up. Okay. So here we end.
We'll leave the meeting. Yeah.
Yes, we end the meeting right now. Thank you so much, everyone. We meet tomorrow. Thank you.